Hello YouTube. So this is the follow-up video to the Ovation bridge lifting video I made earlier. I've cleaned up the top. Let's see. You remember this crack, right? So this has been super glue filled, and then sanded down so it's flat. But especially with the black finish, you can't get it completely flat, so you still see a little bit of waviness. But in any case, let's see. So I got the bridge fitted, and the bottom of the bridge, is completely flat. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Here we go. Completely flat. Just take my word for it. Oh, by the way, that's my new guitar build. It's a Steinberger tribute. Anyways, headless. First time. Anyways, so when I put the bridge on, what I'm noticing is that over here, I can't get rid of this. Well, let's see. I can't do it. Take my word for it. There's this little gap that's opening up, and I can't get rid of it. And what I found out was that the top is, of course, warped. Let's see. So what's happening is, let's see. I got light back there, hoping that you'll be able to see the gap. So it's not very good. Maybe this way. So using the light source, so you see that underneath the straight edge, you're seeing the light, right? So there's quite a big gap. As you go down the top, it gets flatter and flatter, and here it's perfectly flat. But up to here, I do have a gap. And what's happening is there is like a ridge, a raised part, like right here. I think I was pointing it out last time, saying here and here are the places where you're most likely to get a crack. Yep, it won't stay. But anyways, you get the idea. And what I think is happening is, so once the bridge detaches and lifts, the only thing that's holding it down is the screws. So Ovation's bridge do have screws. They go in here and it goes down into these small holes. This is actually a locating pin. So there's a plastic piece that goes in here to locate it and to glue it. And then I think later they probably screw in, drill the hole and screw in the bolts. But in any case, so once the bridge lifts, then it's just these two screws holding the bridge down. And like I said, it's right here. So where the screw goes in, that is lifting. So basically it's lifting the top, and over here there is a stress. So the finish or the top actually comes up. Look at it from the back side. Let's see. Where is it? There we go. So this is, here is that screw hole. And so this bar, this bracing here is what's pulling it up. So basically this is taking the load and it's going up because it's being pulled. And basically this one is taking all the load and it's pulling up. On this side, this is the inside, right? On this side is this one. So it will be this brace that is lifting up and causing the top to sort of mountain or bow. So if you think top is like this, and then if it gets picked up, basically it forms like that. And the finish is too hard to change shape like that. So basically it just cracks right down where my knuckle is. And I think that's what's happening with Ovations. So anyways, that's it. Thanks.